With the right bathroom setup, any day can feel like a spa day. In today's Ask Angie segment, Angie walks us through some projects that can transform our bathrooms.
Bathroom remodels are one of this year's most popular home projects, and for good reason. A good bathroom remodel can give you a return on investment of 70% when it's time to sell your home. Angie Hicks shares some popular bathroom renovation projects.
Before you start your bathroom remodel, first you want to think about what you want to update. When you look at your bathroom, think about functional items before aesthetic items. The next thing you want to do is tackle your budget. How much do you want to spend? And be sure that you're giving about a 10% cushion on what you want to spend so you can avoid surprises.
If you're looking for budget-friendly bathroom projects, think about updating the faucets or swapping out the light fixtures. These projects are usually easy and affordable, but can make a huge difference in your bathroom.
When considering your bathroom renovation project, think about what your end goal is. Do you want to do some simple fix-ups of outdated items? If so, think about the aesthetics. Your mirror, your light fixtures, your towel bars, maybe change the paint color. If you're thinking about a full-on bathroom remodel, then you're going to be thinking about doing the tub, the shower, as well as the vanity.
And if you don't want to do a full bathroom renovation, think about ways you can maintain and update your current setup. Regrout your shower, fix leaky faucets, or get rid of any mold or water damage.
You can lower your utility bills and make a positive impact on the planet by improving the energy efficiency of your bathroom. Consider adding low-flow toilets and shower heads, as well as consider LED lights and an Energy Star rated ventilation fan.
Do you have questions about your home projects? Well, tweet them using hashtag #AskingAngie, and you may get some tips in an upcoming segment.